After you prepare your AutoCAD drawing to import it to SketchUp, you will have it. You have a drawing like this. When you click, for example, on the line, you will just see a few layers. You shouldn't have too many layers. And you should just check your drawing, make sure that all walls are there. Anything that you really needed there, for example, staircase, windows, and your walls. So then you save this as SketchUp based drawing, for example. So wait a second, oops. And if you are using the SketchUp 2017, make sure you save this as AutoCAD 2013. Okay, if you save it as a newer version, it might not work with your SketchUp. So here, just make sure it's AutoCAD 2013. Then you find your folder. You can save it where you save your other drawing for Kathleen's project, and save it. Then you go and open a brand new SketchUp. For example, if you already have some SketchUp open, you just click on this icon here and click on the SketchUp. When your SketchUp is open, go to File, Import, and here change it to AutoCAD file, DWG, and find that specific drawing that you just saved. You go to the folder that you saved it. In my case, I go here and I call it base, so I just select it. Before I click on import, I go and check the options. See, this should be inches. Okay, so just select inch, then press OK. Now click on import. When your AutoCAD drawing imported to SketchUp, check for a few things. First of all, check a dimension that you know. For example, I use measuring tape and I measure the staircase width, and okay, that's 3 feet. The thickness of the wall is 9. Yeah, it seems that it's right scale. Then I check if this is a group, and it is a group. Then I right click and I lock my drawing. When I lock it, it changed to the red. Then I click outside. Now I start redrawing all the walls with the rectangle. It's a good idea to make a new layer. If you don't make a new layer, it's not a big deal. As I mentioned before, it's not exactly that crucial having layer in the SketchUp, but I would make a layer. I call it 3D walls. Then I make it current layer. Okay, now we use rectangle and redraw all your walls. So for example, I start from this corner and I go all the way to this corner. Then from this corner to there. And you have to ignore all the openings. See, for example, if I have an opening here, I start from this corner, but I ignore this opening and I go all the way to here. Then from here, I go there. From here, I'll go all the way here. So zoom in and make sure you're clicking the right place. From here again, see, I ignore the windows. I go all the way to the other side of the wall. From here, I go all the way to here, and from here to there. See, I'm ignoring all the openings. From here, here, and again I have one door, two doors. I just ignore them and I put the rectangle there. And see, I would do this one later to show you guys if you are missing something, it's easy to realize. And from here to here, see, there is a, I don't know, this is, so I'll just add this rectangle here to fix this corner. I grab this one, go all the way there, from here to here, from here, here. I'll go from, wait a second, maybe I go, okay, no, from this corner to here, then from this corner I'll go all the way to here, and from here I go there, and here to here. So now I would just go around and check my walls. See, I just click inside here. See, I have these two walls. There is a division here. I just select it and I press delete. Then I click inside this wall and I go, see these two walls, they're good. Just there is a division. I delete it. I click here. I just click here to delete this one. I delete that one. So see, all the way here it's good, and I have this wall here and this wall here. I just remove this division. That's good all the way to here. See, when I click here I see these two walls. I just remove that one. I go here, there is a piece of line. I come here, delete this one. See, these two, I have two separate wall. I just delete that one. Here it's good. I have two wall. I just select this line and I delete it. Then I go here, just double check. I have the walls. Delete this one. Here I know there is an extra line here, and I just, oops, something is wrong here. Wait a second. Let's undo. So here it's good, but oh, see here, this line, it's not attached to that corner. How come that this thing happens? Okay, so I guess the AutoCAD drawing is not perfect. Let me see. Yeah, see, this wall in your AutoCAD is tilted, but I can just fix it. I just fix this one because see, this should be there. So I just use move, and I move this one maybe from here to here. Just let me double check this corner. Okay, it's good. So now if I remove this piece of line, see, now it's good. Then I come here, this two wall, I just remove this one. Here it's good all the way up to here. Here again I have this two, and see here, when I click here, it means that I don't have my wall here, and I just start a new rectangle and just finish this wall. And now as you can see, I have these two wall. I select this one and delete it. Now I go all the way here to just fix this two part, delete this one, and now it's good. Here I just come and remove this part, and let me see, I'm this corner, delete this two, this corner, delete this one. So again, there is something, see these two wall in AutoCAD, they are not aligned. See, this wall is offset compared to this one. So it's not a big deal. The only thing is when you're putting the, adding your door, you have to be careful so you don't place it in the wrong place. Okay? So for this wall, I would pay attention when I'm doing the doors. So then This two, I just have to remove this one, and I'm almost done. See this one, when I click on it, it changed to red. It means this is my, base drawing. I cannot delete it. Then I delete this one. I have these two blocks separated, so I just delete that. Here, everything is good, just I have to delete this one. So let me see. So I guess I have all the walls that I wanted, and they are all connected. Now I go to push-pull tool, click on the surface and move it to the right direction, and type the height of the basement. I think it's 90, I'm not sure, you know the height, so you bring it to the right height.